guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be working on braiding my own hair.
My own hair in like almost 2 years, but I'm going back to like braiding my own hair because guess what, I don't have to pay for it. I don't have to pay for it, and it makes no sense me paying for hair like if I know how to do my own hair. It makes no sense. It's always money. And then on top of that, now I have 2 daughters, so I have to like go back into this whole vein of like doing my own hair because I gotta like do their own hair too. Motivation, hello. This is the color we're gonna be using. I'm gonna show you.
So this is me sectioning my hair out. I'm trying to section the hair out because I'm gonna be like, you know, I'm starting with the front instead of like braiding from the back. You know, as you can see, I've tried to make that hairline straight, but that's as far as I can go. You know, the side part, like the side parting is looking really mwah. But as you can see, towards the middle it's a little cricket, but then I was already done because like I say, I've not braided my hair in 3 years. It's been 3 years since I've braided my own hair, and that's just, it's been a long time, and I'm trying to I'm trying to go back into doing my own hair because I can actually do my hair instead of me paying for it. You know, like the hairstyle that I can do myself. You know, I want to go and do my own hair and be able to like save up on some money too, because you know, getting your hair braided is getting a little pricey nowadays. You know, as you can see, because who gonna pay? Who gonna pay? You know, I already know how to do it, so why pay? So yeah, this is, you know, I'm talking about, you know, yeah.
Again, this is how great this is connected out with me. I was going to do a different hairstyle, but I ended up changing it, which is why you guys see me adding more hair, because I actually want the braids to be longer. Yeah, it was a hair already about the hair, so there was no point in me going back to like buy more hair. And I'm not tucking my natural hair in because I actually want my natural hair to stand out in the burgundy. Like that's why I'm not tucking the hair in, because I feel like the black part of my hair, like the black part, you know, showing makes the hair look cute. You know, I know there's people that don't like it, but that's what I go for, at least with this hairstyle. That's what I'm trying to achieve. As you can see, I'm almost done with the front. Start with the front, because the back, I don't care if the lines are like lining at all. I really don't care. Actually, now that I'm going back to doing hair, I need to invest in that little tool that you put your hair on once you part it. You've already parted the hair, so I feel like that one will like help me. But as you can see, this is so far what I've done. I have like 2 more here, foam here and then one right here in the middle. Like guys, my hairline cannot be even just because like my head is like it's kind of small at the front. It's like really small, like really small, and then in the middle it goes it just gets big. But guys, yeah, like I'm gonna be like I'm back on YouTube and I'm gonna be posting. I'm gonna actually gonna be more consistent with posting on my YouTube channel. Cause I'm gonna be posting a Q&A, you know, letting you guys know where I've been for the past year when I was not posting, why I was not posting, and stuff like that. Just sit with you guys and you know update you on what's going on in my life, because there's so much going on, so many beautiful things, you know, that's happening in my life, you know, so we can go back to like posting more videos. I'm actually gonna put like the curly hair inside as well. I forgot about that, but I will be putting in the video. I'm gonna show you guys once the hair is done. Like I'm crocheting it. Normally I will add it as I'm braiding, but because I didn't buy the hair, like you get like I went to buy my hair yesterday after work, and I was just tired. Like I was just tired. So I forgot a couple things because you know, I had to do my daughter's hair, and then I was worrying about like you know getting home really quick so I can do her hair, so then I can have time to do my hair, focus on my hair, and then you know my second daughter's hair too. But guys, we're gonna just once I settle down in, but so far this is what the hair is at. This is me attempting to like leave out some of this baby hair. We're gonna lay them down when I'm done, but I don't think I have any baby hair here, but even here I feel like it's because like the postpartum hair loss, because I really don't have baby hair, but I have no choice but to fake it now since there's no hair there. So yeah, it is what it is. Let me finish it up with the two braids over here and finish with that, and then the one in the middle, and then yeah, we go from there. That's it. Guys, this camera angle is not doing me any justice. My face is just so wavy, but like burgundy looks makes my skin pop. You're gonna see once it's done. Once it's done, be back. Hey.
Guys, this is what my hair is looking like after I'm done. I forgot to record a video, so this is a couple days later. I have my hair up, as you can see. It's looking really cute, and you know I'm loving the hairstyle. Like burgundy does look good on me, like it makes my skin pop. Yeah.